Hey, how you doing? My name is Anthony Rauch with Modern Roofing. We're out here attempting to do a repair. I want to show the shingle that we're attempting to do a repair on. I've already replaced a few shingles, which is very probable cause. That's why I'm gonna take this video. We replaced this shingle also. I'll show the exposure of it. There are a lot of wind damage shingles on this roof. All can't be repaired for a number of reasons. They're in the ridges, they're in the valleys. You have to go into 2, 3, 4 slopes once you start replacing all those shingles right there. Same as these on this slope, close to the ridge vent, you would have to then go into 2 slopes. Same as all these wind damage shingles. There are a lot of wind damage shingles on here. I didn't actually number these shingles, but it's clear to see that there are I would say over 30, 35 wind damage shingles. Most of them are probable cause. Like I say, they're close to the ridge vents. You're not able to do those repairs, as you can see. But we will replace this shingle here. I have my colleague with me. Make sure I don't lift the shingles more than 45 degrees. I don't want to rip any shingles or any surrounding shingles. As we can see, as soon as I'm trying to take the nails out, I want to show one thing. It's a ripping of the shingles. So I won't be able to replace all these shingles once you start ripping, as you can see, ripping there. Finish the repair. And all of the nails are shiny new nails, which tell this is new wind damage, not old wind damage. None of the nails are rusted. One more nail somewhere. This nail driven through the shingle. This is the old shingle. Not much soil granule loss. It's just a new shingle compared to the old shingle as far as the size, measurements of the new shingle. They stick out. New shingles produced versus the old shingles. The new shingles measurements are longer in length and size. Approach. I made sure I put the nails in the previous spot I took the nails out of. Also, I'm gonna show at the end a few rippings at the edges of the surrounding shingles. trying to get the nails back in. The whole point of repairs is to make sure you're keeping the roof intact and keeping the strength of the roof intact. You don't want to weaken the integrity of the roof system. And by there being so many wind damaged shingles in the ridges and valleys, it'll be a probable cause just to try to attempt to loosen up all these ridges and valleys. I'm gonna show this is after the repair. As you can see, there's still more wind damaged shingles. It'll be a probable cause just to replace all these wind damaged shingles on the roof. They definitely weren't in the estimated scope also. To replace these shingles, you would definitely have to go into all slopes. As you can see. There are plenty of wind damaged shingles on this roof. There's no way to replace that instead of going into both ridges, back slope, front slope. Showing wind damage on the back also, close by the ridges. Clear wind damage. This roof is not replaceable, repairable. Thank you.